Hi, I'm Kelly, and this is my presentation on Kesa. My district 4 years ago actually started working on Kesa together. We are a small one-A school, so we were all able to work together on the standards, and each and every one of us actually got to have an input on what we wanted to see the improvement for school. And two of the four are ones that we felt we did not really need to improve on, which was the relationship and responsive culture. Because we're so small, our relationship with families, students, and their staff we felt were pretty good, and goes with that the responsive culture, which is that communication between students, families, staff, Board of Education, everyone involved within the district. We felt were really good. So that was just something we felt we didn't need to work towards. What we did decide was that rigor and relevance were going to be the ones that we needed to, because we saw a need where students need to be college and career ready. And our our BPA advisor, was actually in a meeting where a college professor stated that kids are coming to college not prepared, and so that's where we wanted to change what we do so our students can be successful in the future. And so, within relevance, that implementation of the college and career readiness standards, and within rigor, all those things with adding in that technical education through STEM and project-based learning, and eventually becoming more CTE focused. And that's where we decided that's where we wanted to go. Our principal, he may be part of the Kesa coordination, but because he also is a man of many hats, he not only is the principal of our high school and middle school, he's also our athletic activity director, he's our testing coordinator for both middle school and high school, he is our student council sponsor, he's our driver's ed teacher, and he is also a substitute bus driver. So he's very busy, and that also made us the district have to create a Kesa coordinator for 512 and K4. So we have two additional coordinators who help us, and the coordinator for 512 is the one that I talked to about all of our Kesa stuff. But within our principal himself is he has because he wears so many hats, he kind of does have a laissez-faire leadership style. He does give us all the tools and resources that we need to complete, but we get absolute freedom to be able to do it. And being such a small district, that works very well for us. We are handed the power, but he still takes responsibility for the group's decisions and actions, and he gives credit where credit is due. I know all this because we all actually work really close together. With the rigor and relevance that we've chosen, everything is project-based learning. We want more STEM and to be more CTE focused. And the relevance, we have that career insight, we have career cruising, which helps students see their path and help them become more career focused. The standards that I have chosen that match best are the professional standards of educational leaders. Standard 4B, which is to align to focus systems, curriculum instruction, assessment within across grade levels, promote the academic success of learning, and culturally responsive. Standard 10A is to seek more effective school more effective for students, teachers, staff, as well as community. And our 10E is to employ situationally appropriate strategies for improvement through all of these things. And so through what we have chosen as a district, we feel that we are on the right path to getting our students the education that they need to be successful within the future.